Layoffs. We have heard so many layoffs. Layoffs have a huge impact on foreign workers' green card applications. Today, we're going to offer valuable tips, help you how to minimize the impact of the layoff to your green card application and how to plan your plan B. Starting November 2022, we have heard so many layoffs from high tech, Wall Street, and layoffs not only impact your current working visa, but also on your ongoing green card applications. Foreign workers who work for big companies already feel the pain of the layoff. So if you work for big companies, those companies are impacted by the economy a lot. If the economy goes south, the big companies usually will have a huge cut on employment on labor force. And also big companies will freeze its green card application program. On top of that, recently Department of Labor starting an investigation and audit on all the green card applications sponsored by Google. So if your green card application is one of them, you probably need to expect much longer processing on your perm applications sponsored by perm. So this is all the tough news. 2023 is going to be a very tough year for foreign workers. But how to minimize the impact of the layoff to your green card application and how to plan your plan B. Like we said, big companies will be impacted and hit hard when the economy is not good. But small company, on the other hand, will be much better. First of all, it has smaller operation size, so it's more flexible. Probably it's easier to survive during the recession. Second of all, smaller companies will have more flexible green card program and policy. Probably it's more likely you could get offer of day one green card, which means day one you join the company, they're going to start a green card application for you. And smaller companies usually will not be the target of government's examination. So it's unlikely to see a smaller company being audited by the Department of Labor or USCIS. So if you have job security concern with a big company, the plan B is look for a job at a smaller company and negotiate a good deal for you. Even it means probably you will have a little bit cut on your salary, but if green card application could be offered, this is the first priority you could consider. If you could find a smaller company start your green card application, and probably the chances are if your green card application with the big company already has I-140 approval, you could carry over the priority date of your previous I-140 to the future green card application. So that's the first tip. Look for a job and a green card sponsorship from a smaller company. Second, consider self-petition. So self-petition does not need any employer sponsorship, which means if you have a self-petition, the green card application, even you don't have a job in the United States, it will not impact your green card. So if you change your employer, move from company A to company B, your self-petition, the green card application will not be impacted at all. So that's why even right now you are working for a bigger company, I would suggest you have a plan B, have a self-petitioned green card application on the side anyway, in case if you lose your current job, lose your current green card sponsorship, you could have a self-petition as a backup. EB-1A and EB-2 NIW is two typical self-petition green card application. It requests you to have certain achievement in your field in order for you to meet the requirement. But this is a great plan B for those achievable and accomplished engineers, scientists, or artists. So if you are not sure whether you could have a self-petition the green card application, contact an experienced lawyer, let them do an evaluation and have a plan B set up. And then the third, if your spouse has his or her independent green card application, if you lose your job, lose your green card application, your spouse's green card application can cover the whole family. So that's why we always suggest if a couple Each of them can have their own independent green card application, do their own independent green card application no matter what. Just in case one loses a job, one's green card application could not continue and the other can cover the whole family. So you could actually borrow or take a ride on your spouse's green card application. So summarize it. How to minimize the impact and have your plan B. First, move to a small company, negotiate day one green card deal for yourself. Second, consider if you could start a self-petition. You sponsor yourself a green card application as a plan B. Third, use your spouse's green card application to cover the whole family. Hope today's tips are helpful. Thank you.